you have a match?
Here, you can just keep them.
I was going to. I don't have a cigarette either, just the habit.
It took you long enough to get here.
I didn't think you had noticed.
Well, like hell you didn't.
I've seen you before on the Bernard lot. You're Alicia Prescott. I had a few days extra work on your last film. Come spring, I saw a preview in Westwood. You were damn good in it. Aren't you going to invite me in for a drink?
No.
Well, why not?
I'm just stingy with my liquor.
Oh, good. I thought maybe you didn't like me.
Doesn't everyone?
Come on now, there's no need to be nasty.
Did you really think I was gonna ask you in? Why?
Well, most of the time that's the way it goes, you know. Boy meets girl.
Is that all you do? Hang around the sunshine, driving girls mad? I don't see much future in it.
You know, I could learn to dislike you.
Here. I don't like to turn anyone away without a little something.
You're really not going to ask me in?
No. I have a feeling that sooner or later you want me to wrestle and I'm not up to it.
You look healthy enough to me. A little exercise will do you good.
Is that just your standard line, or are you just trying to make it up as you go along for me?
I'm just your friendly neighborhood admirer trying to strike up an innocent friendship.
You're not gonna make much of a career posing on the beach. So what are you doing? What's your name?
That's better. I knew you'd get interested sooner or later. The name's Stone, Malcolm Stone. Most persons call me Mike. I do a little extra work in the pictures. When I first moved out here, I wanted a career in the movies, but the fashions changed. They don't go in so much for looks anymore. That sort of leaves me out.
Yeah, it's sure tough to be beautiful.
There you go again. I bet you're a real bitch. You're gonna be a big star. Everybody says so. I heard people talking as they came out of the preview.
You're just trying to suck me up for another drink.
Not really. That barbecue set over there you've got. If you had a couple of steaks, we could grill up a couple of steaks.
Where you're not dressed for it. And it gets cold when the sun goes down. And I don't think any of my things would suit you.
Everybody says I'm a genius with charcoal. I did short orders once in Enid, Oklahoma.
Then why don't you just go to whatever it is that you live, put on some slacks and sweater, and come back, and you do the rest.
That's better. I wondered how long it would take.
Well, I wouldn't want to waste your time.
I didn't intend to. You got beer? I like beer with my steak.
I do. I have an icebox and a liquor closet filled with inducements. You can go on and start the charcoal.
And cut.